These are the students of Matulong Elementary School, Manaoag, Pangasinan. So they are the helpful students because they call matulong means helpful. Okay, look at these wonderful students of Matulong. Of course, these are the boys. Okay, so the boys here. Okay, let us try to get them one by one. Okay, first the boys. Okay, and the boys. Okay. Oh. You will be discovered, huh? You will be discovered. So you try so that when you grow up, you will be successful. Not only students, must be all successful people. Okay, and again, here are the girls. Okay, so the girls. How are the girls? Okay, the girls here. Okay, look at the girls. They're, of course, beautiful girls, and then handsome students, handsome boys. Okay? Okay, yes. They're happy. Okay. They will be discovered by the world that there is in this world Matulong Elementary School. So introducing the students of Matulong Elementary School. Congratulations.